In this video, I would just like to draw your attention to the help feature. This is a very useful resource for you. I think first of all, we have done a series of user manuals and guides that we make available here via the help. So for example, if you want to know how to use the dashboard or find out more information, for example, about the dashboard, just type in dashboard and then you will find the user manual or the guide that we've edited in relation to the dashboard. So these screens will appear here. And I think it's you can open them out. You can go full screen as I showed you here. So I think it's a very, very handy resource for you to see, okay, is an area that you might be unsure of or stuck on, go into help and see, is there a resource that's currently available that can help you and guide you. Also, and as well, let us know if things are helpful or not helpful. I'll just go back into help for a moment again to say that you can contact us. You can fill out this contact form if there's something you want to share with us, maybe an anomaly or something that you spot. Just leave your name, your email address, the subject description, and it might be something that you want us to get back in touch with you about. We'll pick up all these communications and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you.